फखर जमान की आप बात कर रहे थे वकार, he showed aggression and all that, and of course हमने उनकी इंजरी के बारे में सुना. So interestingly, that injury is really part of the problem that had taken him down, Wasim. He's been dealing with a thyroid issue, which is actually yes.
What is thyroid?
Thyroid, जो thyroid glands ही होते हैं आपके उसके. So he's been dealing with a thyroid issue, which जिससे वो अपनी recovery कर रहे थे, and he needed some more time, Ajay Nikhil, to recover. But then because of the ICC,
but he played the whole month here in IL.
Yes, he was there and he was dealing with it. He's just, he's made a statement that way because a lot of speculation की जा रही थी कि वो शायद अब अपनी retirement announce कर देंगे या वो अपनी injury की वजह से दोबारा
हमारे टेलीविजन पे आके एक ने कह दिया है वो कल एक बड़ा प्लेयर रिटायर हो रहा है, पुट्टी खोल दूंगा. 100% जब श्योर नहीं हो तो क्यों ये सुनसनीखेज खबरें देते हो जब पता ही नहीं है?
Unfortunate, but I think a lot of this has to do with कि ओह मैं न्यूज़ ब्रेक कर दूं, मुझे ज़्यादा टेंशन मिल जाए, मुझे ज़्यादा
एनजी मिलेगी टेंशन उनसे काम नहीं गलती करनी नहीं है.
You're right.
Yeah.
Let me go back, Nikhil, to Joss Butler's interview after that defeat against Afghanistan. उन्होंने एक बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग बात बोली थी कि consider all possibilities. We'll consider all possibilities. Is he hinting that he's walking away from white ball cricket or white ball cricket captaincy?
Possibly, and when we were listening to that interview as well, and I think Waqar Bhai pointed it at that moment in time that maybe that hint is that he's looking to walk away from the sport and as a leader, losing another trophy, not being able to qualify. He's taking the onus on himself. The responsibility as a leader. He's not been able to try and get the right sort of players in right positions, the role identification. He's probably taking it on himself, and he's probably stopped enjoying the sport. One thing is when you're enjoying the sport, you are given added responsibility as a leader to go out there and lead the pack, and because of the kind of experience that you have, that you're able to identify, bhai, ye player mera ye role kar sakta hai, ye player mera ye role kar sakta hai. I mean, that's good on him saying that, yeah, maybe I'm not now been able to motivate or get the best out of my team, and maybe it's time that I see the sun setting on my career. So that's why he's thinking maybe there are possibilities as well. He'll probably go back, have a chat with the family and say this is what he wants to do. But the good thing is, at least there's no knee-jerk reaction at that moment in time coming. And he never blamed any of the players. He took everything on himself as a leader. कि यार शायद मेरी गलती हुई और बतौर कप्तान या जो भी लीडर ऑफ द पैक था ना, कहता यार मेरी टीम जो है ना वो अलग है, जो भी गलती हुई है वो मेरे से हुई है. अगर गलती हुई है, यू टेक इट ऑन द चिन एंड यू टेक दैट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, तभी आपको इतनी वो इज्जत मिलती है ड्रेसिंग रूम की.